The steering wheel jumped. I tried to keep the car in control. That night in Chicago, a flat tire changed me. I pulled in the nearby gas station, and then the bright lights parked on the slope leading to a busy street. Mr. Countersteer, Toastmaster, and guest, have you ever done something stupid? I broke the first rule of changing a tire. Choose a lower spot. Friend, in Chicago, there aren't that many slopes. But that night, I found one. Why do flat tires always happen when you dress up? So I opened the trunk, excavated the jack, unused for centuries, rusty piece of metal. I thought I can handle it. Losing the nuts, placed the jack down. Half hour to remove the tire. The only support in the front, the rusty jack. Back at the trunk, I pulled out the spare tire, shook the entire car. I saw the car going downhill. The jack collapsed, the car collapsed, my lung collapsed. An inner voice said, "You are an idiot." Then other voice, reach out, reach out. I can handle it. Lifted the car almost in a path. Thank you for listening.